it's funny because I personally been asking myself, how do these influencers get their brand deals and sponsorships? Because nobody really talks about them, not at all. You just see your influencers posting there on social media with their incredible deals, and nobody really knows how it's done. So sad. So guys, you don't need to be stressing yourself anymore, asking yourself, where did I get these brands, where did I get these collaborations, or where did I get these sponsorships? Because today I've got the plug. I'm here to plug you to get some ching ching. Today I'm going to be talking about this certain website that's so incredible that I came across, that helps me to collaborate with brands and to get brand deals and to get sponsorships as well. So this website, guys, is that it's so very accommodating. From people with as much as minimum as 500 followers, they do get campaigns. Were you aware? With your own 500 followers, you can get campaigns with this website. Amazing. And the name of the website, guys, is Intelli. Intelli is an online marketing platform that connects influencers and brands to work together and reach each other's goals. So, and the most important thing about this website is that it doesn't bind you into a long-term contract whereby you're not supposed to do certain things. No, it's just for a short period of time where you will be doing you'll be dealing with the campaigns for that period of time. And bear in mind, guys, that every influencer joins on their own, and you don't need to pay as an influencer. I don't know as a brand how you're supposed to go about, because I haven't registered myself as a brand as yet. So this video, since it's about influencers, I'm only focused on influencers. So now I'm gonna name a few must-have social media platforms. First one is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, your Snapchat, your what's this, TikTok, and what else, YouTube, I think. Yeah, depending on the type of a brand and campaign that you'll be dealing with. So guys, I forgot to mention something very important. After you've registered with this platform, what happens is you're gonna apply for different types of campaigns, and when you get accepted, and then they will tell you how to post, where to post, and they give you instructions on where to post your links, the links as proof of your uploads, links from the uploaded videos or pictures that they would have required you to upload. And after that, they also pay you differently depending on the type of campaign that you've applied for. Maybe if you applied for a campaign that rewards you with gifts, or with the type of campaign that rewards you with cash. And most importantly, you must have your PayPal account to receive your payments. So guys, I personally, I am a member of the Intelli Influence, and I've already received 3 campaigns already. I registered when was it? I think 2 days ago. Yeah, I registered it 2 days ago, and I already have like 3 campaigns. And this video, mind you, is also a sponsored video. So can you see how fast it is? I think I registered, was it on Tuesday, and today is like Thursday. So can you see that it's so fast? So I'm going to leave a link in my description box below so that you can be able to get this website as well, and be able to get yourself some guap. So without further ado, I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to get this free stuff, this guap, and these campaigns for free. First thing first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. First tip is find your niche, and which is about like focusing more on your skills and what you're passionate about, and your engagement with your audience and your engagement with your followers. So second tip, provide value. Provide value meaning that provide a value in your content. Don't just post the content because it's just the content. Your content has to have value. Why are we watching your video? What are you doing? What are we getting from there? Are we getting some tutorials? Are we getting some entertainment? You know, yeah. Post regularly, which I don't happen to be doing often. I must leave that habit. So post regularly, it means that you have to post regularly so that brands can see that you are a consistent influencer. Is it a fourth or the third? I don't know. The next tip is that do your hashtags and tags, guys, for this brand, so that other brands can see that you're working with brands. You're an influencer. Okay. And focus on engagement. Focus on your engagement, guys. This is more like you're focusing on who you're targeting. Let's say maybe I'm doing a hair tutorial or a makeup tutorial, and then I know who are these people, what do they want to learn, what do they want do they want to learn eyebrows, do they want to learn eyeshadows, do they want to learn how to put on your lashes. Focus on your engagement. Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video, and I'm so happy to have you around here. Please do subscribe, and I'll hope to see you in the next video.